Hi, welcome to another Presello open house tour. My name is Julia and today I am going to show you a super special house and lot here in Ayala Alabang village. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. And on Facebook, click like and see first. Also, we're on Instagram, so please do give us a follow at Presello_official. Alright, so as I was saying, we have a house and lot for sale here in Alabang. Unfortunately, I can't show you the facade of the house because this is still being lived in by the owners. So, yes. And I will also be exploring this house for the first time, so we will be checking it out together. Alright, so shall we? Let's enter the house. Okay, so upon entering, you will be greeted by this gorgeous high ceiling. And over here, we've got a receiving area or your living room area. However, this also leads to this really nice glass doorway, which is actually your entertainment room. So, you know, this is really where the party begins. So you can fashion this any way you like, but the homeowners now have put a pool table and an entertainment set. And also, this room leads out into the patio with a swimming pool and a sauna, which I will show you later on. But for now, let me tour you around the house and then lead you out there later. So this room also has an aquarium that looks out onto the dining area. So let me show you. All right, on the way there, we get to see a powder room for the guests. Here we go. Right, so you got your toilet, your sink. It's actually pretty spacious for a powder room. Next to the powder room, we've got an indoor koi pond. So for those of you who enjoy having kois in your home, this is one of those features that's really unique and easily something you can talk about in a party. All right, so over here, we are led to the dining area. So clearly in this area, you can put an even larger table if you so desired. But in this case, we have a 10-seater. And then over here, conveniently, is your kitchen. Let me hold this open for you. All right. This is a gorgeous kitchen. I mean, it may be simple. I can't say it's really simple, but look at how much storage you have. You've got your built-in range and hood, your oven, and so much counter space. Right, so this could easily be a very private area for you to cook breakfast in for two, or preparing for a massive party of maybe 50. Your kitchen needs are solved, and you even have a nice prep area / breakfast nook. Okay, oh, sorry. Out here, before we continue with the rest of the indoor area of the house, out here we've got some interesting features. So over to the side of the house, okay, this is just the side of the house. Right, you've got this long stretch of open area and this adorable alley for planting plants. So you can have your personal vegetable garden if you so wanted. So a lot of people actually really do prefer growing their own vegetable, and this is the perfect place to do it. You also have lots of space if you wanted to adjust that, but for now that's what we have. All right, so let's go back in. And over to the other side of the dining area, you have another door that leads out into the patio. Just like the one from the entertainment room. Okay, so over here, you've got this nice outdoor seating right in front of this sparkling swimming pool. I don't know if it translates well to the camera, but looking at it now, it is gorgeous. And also, you've got access to your toilet and bath, very convenient, right? And your personal sauna. I mean, not many houses have a sauna, and this is one of them. You have a chance to live here. Right? Okay, so that pretty much covers the ground floor, apart from the fact that I did not show you a driver's lounge and a maid's quarters because they are occupied as of the moment, as well as a 5-car garage. But apart from those, I've pretty much shown you the ground. Let's now head up to the second floor, which I have not seen prior to this. Okay, so let's go up the main staircase. As you can see here, everything is wood. So, well, you can't really hear it from the video, but it's solid Nara. Very, very sturdy. It doesn't feel hollow. Okay. This one first. Alright, so this door leads. Whoops, sorry, that was the magnet. This is the playroom. Literally a playroom for not just for kids, but as you grow up. I guess I'm the owner because the owner has college level kids. So I believe this is where they put all their laptops. So pag thesis, and when I am told this, pag thesis, yung barkada, they all line up here with their laptops. So literally a playroom. Okay, so this is one of the doors that lead to the bedroom. However, I cannot show this because it has private items. I do know that I can show you one of the doors or rooms over here at the end. Such a long hallway. Can you imagine you and your friends just playing here? All right, so door number 2 and then door number 3. So the rooms are generally the same in size. So you've got ample space for a queen-sized bed. Oh, it smells so good in here. And these rooms have their own walk-in closet. So let me turn on the lights. You've got some private items here. So again, the same neat design, lots of storage, lots of space. And here you have a toilet and bath. So one of the things I admire in this house is the fact that everything is so lovingly maintained. I mean, you don't often come across houses that have been really lived in but still look so good. Okay, so from here we are led to an outdoor balcony or veranda, and I believe this is the master bedroom. Let's go in. Oh. Oh wow. This is part of the master bedroom. It's the walk-in closet. It's not a closet though per se, because it's an entire room of closets. This is amazing. Now this is a walk-in closet. Oh, I'm sorry, wait, we overlooked this part. This is the toilet and bath with, of course, his and her sinks and, oh no, that one's a toilet and a bidet if I'm not mistaken. Wow, this is amazing. So much space, so much storage. This whole house is perfect. Wow. I don't come across many walk-in closets that actually look like a room and not just a small area. You know what I mean? Okay, now this I am sure leads into the master bedroom. But we can't really go there again because there are personal items, and to preserve, you know, the privacy of the owners, can't really show you that. But you can see it actually for yourself. So let me spill the numbers and then, you know, what do you call this? Okay, I'm sorry. I kind of blanked out there because I got super surprised by this walk-in closet. Anyway, let me tell you about the numbers, and then I'll tell you how you can get in touch with us so that you can see this for yourself. Yeah? All right. So recap. Okay, so since I didn't show you the master bedroom, I can show you that the master bedroom actually enters from that side of this area. Well, anyway, you've got 720 square meters in lot area and 730 square meters in floor area. Got 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths with their massive walk-in closets, a 5-car garage, solar-powered water heaters, your pool with a sauna, and a really, really great location here in Ayala Alabang village. So if you want to see this for yourself, and really you have to book a viewing because this will go really fast. So before it's gone, send us a message through Facebook or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello.